Hello friends, our mindful moment is again from Rhine Falls, just a different view this time. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in through our nose and exhale, sigh it out through an open mouth. And again, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale, open mouth, sigh it out. Breathing in through your nose. See if on your exhale you can make your exhale twice as long as your inhale. And again, inhale through your nose. Make your exhale twice as long. One more breath, inhale. And exhale, sigh it out. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day.